Let's learn how to clear some list boxes. First, we'll go ahead and put a list box on our screen, put a button, and we will put a text box on the screen. We'll go ahead and clear the text box text. We'll change the button text to clear. We'll name the list box list1, name button button1, name text box text1, and we'll go ahead and click on clear. Go to the click event, and we are going to go if text1.text not equals empty, then we will do a if text1.text equals add do list1.items.add, do test1. We will go ahead and copy that about 9 times. And did not mean to run it. Let me go ahead and exit that out. So let's go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And we will go if, nope, else, list1.items.clear. End that off. And then if actually we're going to go ahead and move that over here. Make that an else. Go ahead and paste that over here. And then for this one we'll do if, not even else, just list item.1.items.remove. And do text1.text. All right. So now when we start our program, we can type in the word add, click clear, and it will add in all of the stuff that we had for it. We can type in what we want to remove and it will remove it. So as you can see, test1's removed, test2's removed, test3's removed, 4, or we can empty out the whole thing, click clear, and everything is gone. All right. Hope that helps. If you learned something, hit like, hit subscribe, share with others. Thanks.